Hey guys, it's your girl Tam and I am back for another video. Today we are vlogging and I'm trying to get consistent with this, like for real, because I've just been playing. But today I've got super cute. We're going to, I think it's hot and juicy shrimp. This fit is cute. I've got my Amazon top that I ordered last night that arrived this morning, and then I bought one of those bows. I've got my mom's ponytail, and then where did I get these from? My night trainers. So it's like, you know, it's more or less white and green type of day. But I know I've done a full face, so I've been learning how to do a full face. And today, those of you who like know me or followed me or like see my videos, you know I only wear eye makeup. So for full face, this is some type of growth. I don't wear full face all the time. I do love my skin, I do love the way I look. But anyway, I'm waiting for my girl to come and pick me up, and then yeah, we'll go. Fun fact, me and my friend were both the late friends out of the friendship group, but she's somehow always later than me, which makes me seem not late or not as late. But today we're ready, and I told her a different time, like our table's actually 15 minutes later than she actually thinks. So she probably thinks that she's running late, but she's actually not. Tell me if you have to do that in your friendship groups. Even me, I have to give myself like fake times or fake deadlines so I can be on time. But let me know if you're the on time friend, the late friend.
A few minutes later.
I told my friend 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. So either she's aware that I gave her a fake time or she's just running late. But I'm still waiting. So we're here. So once we got there, we had to take pictures, and I looked so good that day. I love the way I did my makeup. Let's get back into the video. Stay tuned. It's a little bit of gin.
Is it? I wasn't sure, but when I said gin, I was like, yeah, that's good.
Right. To be honest, it just tastes like a normal like slush puppy with a bit of fizz.
It's pretty. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
But as a taste.
Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of gin, so.
This is our bit. I haven't had oysters in years. So guys, I got oysters. I'm making Ju try some.
I like it.
Got some barbecue wings. These look so good.
I'm gonna cook this one.
This is nice. Sweet. So I got the seafood mania, and then I got my sauce on the side, and then I got fries. Juliet got mac and cheese. Trying Juliet's mac and cheese. Ooh, stringy. Like a tangy taste. I'm not really a fan. Sauce in the bag. I added 2 eggs to mine. Do you have like a crack?
We don't have crackers, but we have the crab forks. Is that right? Yeah.
It's really good. Oh, I forgot I got hot. You got medium.
Is it? Am I hot?
Is it hot? Taste it. No, I'm starting to get a headache.
Headache? Why?
It's so hot. An egg. Do not get hot. Even if you like spice. It's mad, it's hot, but I could eat more of it. Like, it's hot, but it's nice hot. I should have got medium. Get the head. Hold the body. There we go. What about people that's allergic? You are paid to remove this because I'm allergic.
Allergic to shell.
Some people are allergic to shellfish.
I think you have to pay extra.
Yeah, but that's not very inclusive.
This sauce is so good.
I can't lie, it is. I'm sorry, I can't.
That is crazy.
If you know what this is disgusting. Stop.
Stop.
We've got probably about 15 minutes left of our booking, if that. So let me try it. Oh, this is a snow crab. I've never had snow crab. Heck crab. It's a crab fork, and it's to take the meat out. You know, I think someone's got a similar name to me, and every time I hear it,
It's not like it's coming.
look at that meat. I've still got a lot of chips. Piece of these. Definitely will come back.
I love this. Chicken and is so good.
I should have kept the garlic butter from the.
It's so good.
Oh, I'm getting there.
I'm getting this. Let me know if it does.
Definitely will come back. So guys, I'm done.
Into the mac and cheese.
Would I come back? Yeah. It's like, well, it kind of helps you.
Takes a bit out.
No, but opens the shell.
A bit of spice, you know? It's so strong. I'm literally having it.
And it looks like you got a.
You guys realise?
What? I mean, I could. Worst case scenario, I could try. He said it's time to go now. But they said it in a nice way.
Yeah.
Like, how was the food? How was the like? Okay. So guys, we're just walking back to the car. Don't know where we're going. If not, it's home time. But the night is still young. Whole experience, I want to say a 7 out of 10. The food was amazing, 9 out of 10. Yeah, there was just like little things. Like with seafood, I feel like it's so much easier when you have scissors or something to cut the crab with. So like just those little things that we'll miss. But other than that, definitely go back. But yeah, great food, good vibes, great music. I was dancing the whole time. So yeah.